Water is matter and matrix, mother and medium of life. There is no life without water. In the heart of Milan, in the immediate vicinity of the Duomo di Milano, embedded in an inner courtyard. Carefully orchestrated experience spaces present the 4 levels of the GROHE SPA brand. Materia Natura, the connection between nature and man-made design. Aquatecture focuses on the interface between water and architecture. Water is a precious resource that deserves to be celebrated.